The pay slips of the teachers are currently very miserable. They have just been facing lots of deductions. I believe we need to have a little bit of background information. The last time teachers got a salary increase was in the CPA, which was signed in 2016. That is 7 years ago. From that time, the teachers have faced lots of inflation, which is averaging around 8% every year. So for the last 7 years, that comes to an inflation rate of 42%. So to ensure that we cushion the teachers from the effect of inflation and the many losses from the payslip, we need to ensure that the teachers are given a salary increase of at least 42%. Then from that 42%, if they are given that minimum, then we can be able to engage on any other deduction. But before such an increase is so hard to discuss. When we talk of housing levy, this one has really saddened the teachers. They are very certain, they are shocked about that thinking and pushing it down their throats. There needs to be a sober roundtable sitting to consider ways of cushioning teachers from this endless rate on their payslip. This continuous reduction of the payslip is affecting the teachers negatively, and they are demoralized lot.